I am Dr. Tipan Sagai Sudarsan, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Today, I am going to discuss about helical gear design, which comes under the subject Design of Transmission System, subject code ME 8651. Dear students, listen to this video. Before we deal inside the subject, we can see about the course outcome. After successful completion of the course, the students should able to analyze the concept of design in the flexible drive elements like belt, chain and rope drives. The students should be able to develop a method of various types of gears with parallel axis. The students should be able to develop a method of various types of gears with inclination with the axis. The students will be able to explain the techniques used in industrial design multi-speed gearbox application. The students should be able to categorize the suitable design for cam, clutches and brakes for automotive application. Introduction of gears. Gears are among the most important power transmission elements. A gear is a rotating machine element having cut teeth which mesh with another tooth part, usually having a teeth of similar size and shape in order to transmit power. Two or more gears working together are called a transmission and can produce mechanical advantage and thus may be considered as simple machine. Helical gear. Helical gear are one type of cylindrical gear with slant tooth trace compared to spur gear. They have the larger contact ratio and excel in quietness and less vibration and able to transmit large force. A pair of helical gears has the same helix angle but the helix end is opposite. Some of the types of helical gear the figure shows: single helical gear set, crossed helical gear set, double helical gear set, a ribbon gear helical set. Nomenclature of helical gear: lead angle, normal circle width, axial gear, transverse, circular pitch, form diameter, base circle diameter, face width, outside diameter, pitch diameter, normal plane, normal pitch line, circular pitch, helix angle. Let be helix angle, transverse pitch circle PT, normal pitch, circular pitch PN, axial pitch PA, diametral pitch DD, AT and AN transverse normal pressure angles, then module MT, MN transverse and normal modules, Z1 and Z2, normal teeth, number of teeth on pinion and gear, D1 and D2, pitch circle diameter of pinion and gear, N1 and N2 speed of pinion and gear, and A center distance between pinion and gear. Application of helical gears. Most of the reputed geared motor dealers advise using helical gears in application requiring heavy load efficiency and noiseless function in automotive applications. The gears are common feature in transmission. Some of the industries also where the helical gear are commonly used are printing, earth moving and fertilizer industry, port and power industries, steel and rolling mills, textile industries, food industries, plastic industries, elevators, conveyors, compressors, blowers, cutters and oil industries. Advantage of helical gears. Smooth operation is guaranteed due to the gradual engagement of the angled teeth of helical gears as compared to those of spur gears. Helical gearbox and helical gears are long lasting and most suited for application involving high loads. It is able to conduct power and motion between right angle or parallel shafts. Wear and tear is reduced due to load distribution between numerous teeth. Disadvantage of helical gear. When a pair of helical gear meshed with each other, there will be a creation of helic axial thrust load on gear due to helix angle of gear teeth, and therefore gearbox designer has to select such bearing those are able to absorb and support this axial thrust load. There will be a sliding movement between mating gears teeth in the case of helical gear, and heat generating will be more as compared to the other application. Therefore, helical gear requires good quality of lubrication. One pair of mating gears will have less efficiency compared to efficiency of mating spur gears of similar size. Power loss in case of helical gear train operation will be more. Manufacturing and designing cost of helical gear will be more. Helical gear design. First step, calculation of gear ratio I. I equal to NAB divided by NB equal to ZA divided by ZB, where NA and NB speed of the driver and driven shaft respectively, and ZA and ZB number of teeth on driver and driven respectively. Step 2, selection of the material. Consulting the PhD data book page number 8.4 and 8.4. So material we can able to select using the gear ratio also. Step 3, if not given the gear life, we can able to assume maybe 2000 hours. Step 4, calculation of initial design torque. Using the data book page number 8.15, design torque formula available in the data book page number 8.15. MT equal to design torque equal to MT into KDK, where MT transmission torque, K load factor, KD dynamic load factor, assume K into KD 1.3. Step 5, calculation of equivalent bending and crushing stress from data book page number 8.16 and 8.18. Calculate the bending stress on conductors. Sigma C equal to CB into HP into KCL, or sigma C into CR into HRC into HCL. CB CR coefficient of surface hardness, HP HRC hardness number. Step 6, calculation of center distance A. For calculating the center distance, utilize the data book page number 8.13. There is one formula for determine the center distance. A greater than equal to I plus 1 root of 0.74 divided by C the whole square, and equivalent design torque divided by I into psi. Then step 7, select number of teeth and the pinion. Z1, initially Z1 assumed as 7, Z2 having a formula I into Z2. Then step 8, calculation of module. Using the data book page number 8.13a, A equal to M by cos beta into Z1 plus Z2 divided by 2. And finally, choose the standard module, recommended module. Utilize the data book page number 8.2. Revision of center distance. Already we find out the center distance. Even though we want to revision the center distance using the formula A equal to module divided by cos beta Z1 plus Z2 divided by 2. Then calculate the parameters. Phase width, the formula available in the data book page number 8.14, B equal to psi into A. Pitch dia, D equal to Mn into Z1 divided by cos beta. Pitch line velocity, pi dn divided by 60. Then step 11, selection of quality of gears. Knowing the pitch line velocity, using the data book page number 8.3, select the suitable quality of gear. Step 12, again revision the design torque. Using the calculated value of psi p, revise the K value by using the 8.15 page number formula, revise the KD value, again find out the revision of design torque MT equal to design torque equal to MT into KDK. Then finally checking. So first check for bending. Page number 8.13, அவங்க formula for checking formula sigma b equal to 0.7 into I plus or minus 1 divided by AMBY into design torque. So if the condition is assumed torque less than the design torque, this is the condition. If the condition is okay, design is safe. Then step 14, check for wear strength. For calculating wear strength, formula also available, data book page number 8.13. Utilize that formula and substituting all the values and compare to the assumed stress wear strength to calculated wear strength. Then step 16, check for gear checking. In case of gear checking, we want to check two types of checking. One is bending. So bending check formula B1 by Y1 divided by Y2. Then wear strength also calculate include contact stress will be same for pinion and gear as shown the page number 8.14. So condition determined value less than equal to find out value. If the condition is okay, the design is safe. These are the step-by-step procedure for calculating the Kelkel gear design. Thank you.